Hello, I'm going to show you how to create a poster in PowerPoint. So I have PowerPoint, I have my screen recorder, Screencast-O-Matic open so I can record this for you. I'm going to go to File, New Presentation. What you will want to do is go to File and Page Setup because you want to make this portrait size, which will be the top left, and then we're going to change the width to 11 and the height to 17. And we'll scale up. I'm not sure what the difference is between those two, but we're just going to click on that. Then the next thing we want to do is pick a theme or a design. So I'm going to go to Design, click this down arrow, and I'm going to pick something professional looking. So I'll pick this one. Now you can change the color. I'm not real crazy about the wine color, so I'm going to pick blue, and then you would add your title and whatever you want on here. You can change these boxes, put text boxes in. You'll need to figure that out. So we're going to save this as a PowerPoint presentation. I'm just going to make it Business 290 presentation. I'm just saving it to my documents and I'm saving it as a PowerPoint. I work on a Mac, so yours might be a little bit different, but it should be pretty similar. I'm going to save that and then I'm going to close this out. So I'm just going to close it. And that's it for this recording. In the next recording, I'll show you how to start the PowerPoint and the screen recorder and the webcam so you can do that all at once. Okay, that'll be next.